sacrifice everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the people's champ, and we back with another video. And today, man, listen, we got a big package from Sagola. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and see what we got. Let's see what Sagola sent us. Got some big packages in here. Alright, so it looks like we got some adapters. Both 1.5 mil. So it looks like the adapters for the spray guns, of course. See which ones these fit. We have here the Sagola DPC system. The disposable cup system. We have here the Sagola. We have here the Sagola DPC system. They came out with their own disposable cup system, and they sent them out to me, try them out. They also sent the 600 mil cups. Let's open up the 600. Comes with some instructions. Tells you on the back which cup you have. It's 100 mil, 200 mil, 400 mil, 600, and 800, and what they would handle. So small ones, the 100 mil, you know, small spot jobs. And as you go down, you know, it turns from a panel, 2 panels, you know, a side, and basically an overall paint job when you get down to the 800 mil. So this will work out real good. This is real nice to have to let you know what you're capable of depending on what size mil cup you get. So giving you some instructions on the different adapters for the cups and the spray guns. Let's get back to it, check out the more. Of course, we got a lock. You can cap off these cups. That way, you know, if you got some reusable paint, you can cap it off and get back to it. Comes with a cup, the hard cup. And of course it has different measurements on it. 2 1-to-1, 3 1-to-1, 4 1-to-1, 5 1-to-1, 5 3-in-1, 6 1-in-1, 7 1-in-1. So that's nice there. Nice mixing cup, as well as the hard cup. Comes with the liners. Whole bag of the caps or the tops for the 600 mil. Now let's put this together. Got us a cup. All this stuff is packaged real nice too. I don't know, Sagola, you might have me ready to be Team Sagola in just a second. I like this. All right, so that goes there. Got us some nice top, fits in like that. And there you go. And this is made real nice. I mean, real nice. Cup is real nice and firm. That's a quality cup there. I'm excited to use that. Let me grab my spray gun and see if we can make this work. So I got my adapter for my 3300 GTO. I believe that fits just like that. I don't have this tightened up all the way, but there you have it. And you are good to go. Colors is matching real nice. Not only are you gonna get a nice finish, a nice job, but you're gonna look good doing it too. That looks real good there. I like that. Real snug fit. Open up the 800. Again with the instructions. Another lock. Of course, a different cup, and you can see the size difference. Another bag of tops. Of course, the liners. And another package of the caps to cap off the cups if you got some usable paint left over. And just like that, you got the two different cups. 600 mil, 800 mil. And they made real nice, real durable. You know, this definitely ain't, you know, a cheap cup. Really made real nice. This will definitely last you for a good long while. And these remind me of the style of the Spectrum PPS cup system. So I'm almost willing to bet these will work with that Spectrum adapter. Definitely looks like the 3M 1.0 system style. So this might work with those too. So if you want to get a nice cup, you know, nice markings for the measurements to mix with and stuff like that, a nice setup, you could probably go with the Sagola DPC setup, and you could run it with any of, like, you know, your LVLP spray guns that we show here on the channel. You should be able to use them with that as well. So you can get you a nice cup system to go along with, you know, your spray gun setup, whichever it is, whether you got Sagola or some of the other spray guns, again, that we show here on the channel. So I'm gonna have to test that out, make sure that that works that way, but that looks like that's what it'll do. Now, last but not least, Sagola also sent me a paint suit. Yes, indeed. I've been seeing a couple of these, and I wanted to get one. Gotta make it official. If I'm gonna be using the spray guns, I need the paint suit. Get this thing out. This thing looks nice. Oh boy. I was thinking it was gonna be like the lab coat, not a full suit, but that makes it even better. It's a whole Sagola suit. Has the pockets in the front. Got the pockets here. Both sides. This is a real nice suit. And it has the Sagola in the back, if you can see that. Also has the back pocket on it as well. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to put this in action. All right, kings and queens. So here we have it, everything that we have got from Sagola. Of course, we got the Sagola 4600 Extreme. And we're going to have to put this to the test as well. I haven't did a box opening on this one, you know, but we were saving this one for, you know, a project that we wanted to spray it with. And we're going to see this thing in action real soon. We got the cups. We got the spray guns. We got the suit. We just got to put it all together and start spraying. Big major shout out to Sagola for blessing us with all the things that we need to get the job done and get a beautiful finish. Hey, it's time to put it to work. Jump in the comments. Tell me what you think. Think if you would like something like this. I'll drop links in the description on everything that we have here. And, hey, just tell me what you think about it. I know I'm a happy camper. We're going to put it all to work and see what we get. So listen, man, I'm going to jump back to work. You get back to work. Enjoy your day. I'm going to get back to mine. It's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ. And I'll see you in the next video.
Everything to be underground